Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find videos you've searched for on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and typing facebook.com in the address bar. Step 2. Click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the page to open your profile. Step 3. Once your profile is open, click on the Photos tab. Step 4. Look for the 3 dots icon located at the top right corner of the Photos page and click on it. Step 5. From the options that appear, select Activity Log. Step 6. Now, within the Activity Log, click on Videos You've Searched For, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to find all the videos you've searched for on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching. Until next time.